I've been waiting for this blanket for a week, and I'm so excited that it's here. Mila, what do we got? Let's see. She likes blankets more than I do. Okay. Let's open it up, Mila. Sit down. Oh my gosh. So excited. It's so squishy. Mila, what do you think? What do you think? Oh, is that so soft? Is that so soft? It looks just like you. Another place for her to hide. Okay, this is the softest blanket I've ever felt in my life. It's the Marshmallow blanket. I bought this myself. This is not a sponsored ad or anything. Okay. Oh. Oh my goodness. Mila, what is it? Is it a blanket? Oh my gosh. Come, check it out. What do you think? She loves blankets. Can you tell by her tail? What do you think? Do you like it? She's worth it. She's worth it. No, but for real, you guys, this is a very thick blanket. Oh, now she's gonna be okay, I understand. She does not want me to. Okay, we're playing now. Okay, it's a play. This might last a while. She's very possessive over blankets. Like, they're hers now. So, okay, go lay down. Go lay down. Go on. I may have to finish this without her, but if you can see that the bottom is also just as soft as the top. So where you're cuddling and snuggling, it's super cozy. I was thinking I'm gonna get these for Christmas gifts for my family, like my mom, mother-in-law, and yeah, I think that this would be great. But I'm a super fan, and obviously so is she. What do you think? You like it? She's so picky. She's so bougie. You're so bougie. Yes, highly recommend this blanket. Super soft, super cozy, and I'm excited to snuggle up with her. My husband and my dog. Yeah, sorry, lost train of thought there. So, can't wait to like sit on the couch. Yay!